What do you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
3.
3? Oh, you heard that, Mom? What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, my mom's gonna be helping me cook some, what are they, Mom?
Chicken taquitos.
Chicken taquitos. Alright guys, okay. So we have your ingredients here. You just need your shredded chicken and an extra plate with napkins. So when you're done frying them, you can put them on there and the napkin will absorb some of the oil. But right now, you need to get your tortillas. So, and then you're gonna roll the tortilla with the chicken in it, and then we're gonna fry them. So a little tip is, if you roll the tortillas up, like without warming them up or whatever, they're kind of gonna break. So just stick them in the microwave for a little bit, and that should kind of get them soft enough to be able to roll without them breaking, and then you can put them in the pan. But you gotta wash your hands first, don't be nasty. You can get your, I think my mom got a whole chicken and just cooked it herself, boiled it, whatever. But you can just get like a rotisserie chicken if you're like short on time, and just shred that real fast to use to make these, because yeah, it's super easy. You just need to have the chicken done. My mom doesn't want to be in the video because she thinks y'all gonna talk shit about her. But
if you talk shit about her, come fight me.
let me put this one so it looks like I'm doing something. Right there. Just turn them, ma. Get those taquitos. You. Hi. You smell the food?
No, you made me scream. I said, "Ow."
You're gonna take your taquito, and I'm just gonna grab mine because it's a little. Okay. So once you have your taquitos, you can put some lettuce on, or whatever kind of cream you want. Crema from the Mexican store even. Take your homemade salsa. Yeah, you're done. And then you just
Stuff your face.
How beautiful is that? All my hard work right here. Alright guys, so yeah, that is how you make taquitos. Pretty simple. Let's try these. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know down below in the comments. Si ya me puedo casar. Carlitos, look at the camera.